Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Aiden White from Wichita, Kansas, and today you are about to witness a virtual flight demonstration aimed to replicate North America's premier jet demonstration pilot, Randy W. Ball. Now, on its takeoff roll, here is the McCoy and Gurevich MiG-15. This is a Soviet aircraft that ruled the skies over Southeast Asia during the 1950s, and it was during the Korean War conflict in which our American aircraft went toe-to-toe with the MiG-15. In the early 1950s, the Soviet Union began testing a new but similar aircraft known as the MiG-17 Fresco. It was during the Vietnam conflict where the kill-to-death ratio was 2 to 1. The United States military was able to acquire a MiG-17 and testing began at Groom Lake, or better known as Area 51. And a program known as HAVDRIL was where the US military started to learn and exploit the weaknesses of this aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, North America's premier jet aviation demonstration pilot, replicated in DCS, virtual Randy W. Ball. Yeah! There's the iconic platform view, that silhouette that many of our pilots engaged over the Korean War in Vietnam. The MiG-17 was a bit of a technological marvel, particularly for the Soviets who built it. And being the younger brother of the MiG-15, the MiG-17 was one of the first aircraft to feature afterburner. And this afterburner was one of the many reasons this fighter was feared in these major conflicts. Now, take a look to your right as virtual Randy Ball sets up for an inverted pass with a Cuban knee. The MiG-17, a high subsonic fighter produced by the Soviet Union, had its first flight in January of 1950, but did not enter service until October of 1952. The MiG-17 proved to be a deadly force in the Vietnam era, and was not until the introduction of the General Dynamics, now Lockheed Martin F-16 Fighting Falcon, in which the MiG-17 was the tightest turning fighter anywhere in the world. Now look to your right. Here comes virtual Randy Ball for the minimum radius turn. Randy Ball currently performs jet aerobatics and more air shows over North America than any other civilian jet pilot. And in 2023, it marked Randy's 33rd year. Randy Ball has flown over 43 different types of aircraft, manufactured in 9 different countries. The MiG-17 can maintain 8 G-turns, that's 8 times the force of gravity, attain a max speed of 715 miles per hour, or Mach 1.04, and can climb better than 14,000 feet per minute. From your right, your virtual Randy Ball. Randy's MiG-17 has spent almost 4 years in restoration and is one of only a handful of vintage jets flying in the North American airshow circuit. It is an authentic paint job and is on the MIO available for ground display with full restored guns. Randy's MiG-17F 1611 entered service with the Soviet bloc in March of 1960 and wasn't withdrawn from service until May of 1990. To the left, here is your virtual Randy Ball. While the MiG-17 was designed to shoot down slower American bombers, it showed surprising success when used by the North Vietnamese pilots to combat American fighters and fighter bombers during the war, nearly a decade after the design. This was due to the aircraft being more agile, more maneuverable than the F-4 Phantom or the F-105 Thunderchief. Coming in low and fast, here is your virtual Randy Ball in the MiG-15. Ladies and gentlemen, repositioning in front of me, Randy is going to make his final pass for today's flight demonstration. Now, to your right, here is your virtual Randy Ball.
Intact. Living in the limelight, the universal dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, we thank you for watching today's flight demonstration. We would like to thank the VAA staff for allowing us to perform for you today, here at the Virtual Airshow London. We would also like to thank our amazing team members who have helped bring Randy Ball to the virtual skies. If you would like to see more of our amazing aircraft and exclusive videos on our virtual Randy Ball demonstration, please check us out on YouTube, Discord, and Instagram. If you have any questions, or if you would like to join our team, please join our Discord and contact the staff member. Again, my name is Aiden White from Wichita, Kansas, and it's been an absolute pleasure to narrate for you today, here at the Virtual Airshow London. From all of us at Virtual Randy Ball, we will see you next time.